Good morning, guys. A little more planning on my part probably would have been necessary. Today, Jax needs to go to Mouseland, and I picked the Eureka Animal Clinic because it has the best reviews in South Miami. Unfortunately, this lot is not very welcoming to RVs. In fact, I don't even know how I'm gonna maneuver out of here when it's time to leave, but we'll deal with that later. Real quick, I don't want to get into all of the specifics here, but you know, some people are really against vaccines for your pets, shots and all that. The bottom line is, it is required to travel state to state in this country. Your pet has to be licensed, and they have to, by law, be up to date on all of their annual shots and rabies and feline leukemia and all that stuff. So it's actually more that I don't have an option. And I know people don't do it all the time and just, but street sweeper, it's not worth losing Jax over. It's just not. I mean, they can literally take your pet if you don't have proof of those things. So I need to have that paperwork every single year, no matter where I go. Case Jackson, I need to go into somewhere that requires it, or go on a cruise, or hop on a plane real quick, or something. It's just something I have to do to keep him safe, and vaccines have never hurt him in the past. So, all right. And yes, even though Jax is good on a leash in places, after the shots, pets are not quite as cooperative. So that's why we need the zip-up carrier. I'm gonna be there with him though. Ready, buddy? Mouseland. Poor guy. I know, buddy. Sorry. Here we go. Jax, man, they know what you need now, okay? They know what you need. You need a couple shots, I think, okay? But I'll be right here, okay? We'll get you exam, make sure everything's working right, okay? All right, we'll talk to him about your weight loss this last year, or lack of, I guess. I know, buddy. I'm gonna give you extra treats today, okay? And we'll get extra treats when we get out of here. Okay, good boy. Sorry for the no Mouseland. Oh, okay. All right, how we doing here, Jax? Looks like 26. You gained 2 pounds. What do you have to say? Oh, okay. All right, well, his temperature was good. The thermometer up is woohoo. But the weight thing, you know, we're going to talk about that. They know the portions in the food he eats. The fact that he's gained 2 more pounds in the last year instead of losing any weight. I don't know. We'll see what they say. It's almost over. Yeah, it's almost over. Just 2 more quick pink, pink. Then you're done.
Fine.
Oh, look at that belly. Oh, man.
Oh, so he's about 23, 24 pounds in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But he has a small,
But
I mean,
he's
Jax's
bigger.
whole face, like his whole thing is just built. It's weird.
Yeah, no, he's bigger body-wise in length, and his legs are
Oh, okay.
This guy is like thunder thighs.
Hmm.
This is what he looked like as a baby.
That's what Jax looked like. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it started.
Yeah. But you have a bigger head. He's got
just
a little
built
mini
everywhere.
apple head and no neck.
He's so big he has to
Yeah.
have extra toes.
You have a neck and extra toes, and
Yeah.
he's really taller too. But,
Yeah. Boink! That was the decoy. That was the decoy. Yeah, I tricked you. I did. I'm gonna. Okay, here we go. Oh, show it. You got it?
Wow.
Look
Look at
yeah.
that. Look at that.
Doesn't he? He makes my kitty look small.
Yeah. I know. Take
I love the extra toes though. Alright, I didn't know who did that.
7 toes.
What are you doing? You got the old wagger going there, Jax?
It's got the air guitar going on.
Okay. Okay, did that.
Point you this way so you can just pet him. Occupied.
And this kitty's been all over the country, dog.
Yeah.
100,000 miles logged. 8 years.
100,000 miles. You a trucker?
RV.
RV.
For a living.
Okay. Yeah,
So for this part, it's hit or miss. In 8 years, sometimes nothing happens. Sometimes he bit a vet tech once, and that was when I was not in the room. So I want to stay where his eyes can see.
Okay.
Jax, we're gonna get a shot, okay? You can get a shot.
Good boy.
You good boy. You did good. You want one more?
You got
You want
one.
one more? We're gonna do one more, okay? Okay, good. Just one more. Good job. Oh, it's okay. It's almost done. See, now it's done.
That's it.
That was it. Good job.
That's a good boy. That's a good
I'm
boy.
proud of you.
Yes, sir.
You've been getting into the cat treats though, huh? You gained 2 pounds. Yeah, you wanna go?
He's like, yeah, had enough. Or the other option would be switch to a dry that's higher in fiber.
High fiber.
Yeah, so that he's getting the volume, but not the calories.
Okay.
The idea is we want to cut the calories.
Okay.
So
maybe high protein isn't the best way to go moving forward.
yeah, because he's going to be 9. Yeah.
Okay.
The higher protein can then start to put stresses on the liver and kidneys and so on. So.
Okay. Jax, man, I'm not even kidding you. That was the best you have ever done for shots. So proud of you. Yeah, ever since that one mistake I made where I was not in the room when Jax got his shots, he's actually done really good. So, yeah, lungs, heart's good, fecal test came back negative for everything they tested, besides dirty ears, and Jax being an overweight cat. Essentially because, you know, of the lifestyle we live. He doesn't get a big yard to run around in. I'll talk more about the end of the video, what we're going to switch to as far as food. I'm going to ease him into the high fiber instead of high protein thing in the next couple months. And we'll do what we got to do. But yeah, we're here in South Miami, and sigh, it's time to check into my RV resort through the Thousand Trails Encore system. So it'll be nice and relaxing though. Looking forward to it. So this is a fancier park than I'm used to. They're going to escort me to my site, and when I checked in, they had to go make sure it was... Oh, that's a nice Corvette. They go check it to make sure it's clean, all good, and everything, and now they're going to escort me here in a second. Fancy pants. Okay, I'll follow you, although I do read numbers really well. I could probably find it. I will say this is about the most trees I've seen at any of these Encore resorts, so that's cool. Thank you. All settled here. I really like this Encore resort. It's more of a campground, really. In fact, you gotta see this tree on the left side of my RV. Look at that. Rooty much? Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen a tree with this many roots and adaptations. Huh. Yeah, I got full hookups here for 2 days, and got my septic hooked up there as well. I can't take a nap. Need to catch up. I'm basically over my cold, but my throat still tickles, so that there's still something going on in my throat. I'm not sick, and yeah, just hanging out outside, kind of enjoying this campground, but I'm gonna do some indoor activities, and then I'll take you guys out on the bike, and we'll go look around this part of southern Miami, because there's some different stuff, right? Yeah, but this is an Encore resort, so there's a heated pool and a sauna and everything, tennis courts, pickleball, shuffleboard, everything over there. As far as Jackson, the diet food stuff's going on, we are going to switch here. So I'll let you know when I purchase some food where we're going to get the high fiber instead of high protein, you know? So I'll let you know how that guy goes. It's just, I'm sitting here thinking the last couple years I've been talking, everybody asks, this the most popular question anybody asks us on the road. How much does that cat weigh? 24 pounds. It's just funny because, you know, you see a normal person, you don't say, hey, how much do you weigh? Like, I always joke around, and I'm like, he can hear you, you know? Yeah, he can. 26 pounds, though. I've been wrong for a little bit. 26-pound cat. And I love every pound of my little guy. He's still doing good, by the way. Actually, it's funny. I brought the stroller down, and then he realized, oh, I get this part up here. So he's been chilling up in the cab over area today. I like to just kind of keep an eye on him and stay as close as possible after any kind of vaccine or new meds or food or stuff, just to make sure he's okay. Doesn't puke it up or something. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I'll tap back in here in the morning. I know you can't smell this right now, but I wish you could. That's how we start the morning off right. Oh, man. Oh, man. I may not be doing everything right in life, but I got some things figured out, I'd say. Can survive on bacon, coffee, and good food. I have decided to make a change this morning. Just overnight I started thinking about it. I was going to take the bike out and go look at South Miami, but I'm here a couple nights, so I'm actually going to do today. I already got my reservation to see Glass in IMAX here. It's about, I think, 15 or 18 miles away to the AMC theater, but yeah, gonna have breakfast and then go eat a big tub of popcorn and watch the new Glass. It's a M. Night Shyamalan, I don't know if I said that right, movie. But it should be pretty good. I've seen Unbreakable and Split. Is that what it's called? Yeah. So, bacon grease hash browns. So that's my update for now, guys. Slept really good. Jax is doing really well. Didn't have any reactions to the meds or anything like that. So we'll see you in about 3 days here. Okay. All right.